Hey everybody, in this video, I will show you exactly how to fix Easy Anti-Cheat error code 30005. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. So, to fix this, you can simply verify your game files. For Steam, right-click on the game and then hit Properties. From here, select Local Files and then verify integrity of game files. Then for Epic Games, open the launcher, hit Library, and then click the three dots next to your game and verify. Second, navigate to your game's installation folder and reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat. Lastly, ensure your antivirus or firewall isn't blocking the game or Easy Anti-Cheat. Temporarily disable them or add exceptions for the game and Easy Anti-Cheat. So that is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.